Welcome to a brand new episode 22 of PSLE Math Series on ABCD. In this PSLE Math Series, we will be going through questions that PSLE students might find it difficult to solve. In our previous episode, we went through question 1 of worksheet 11. Today, we'll be going through question 3. Just a side note, you will be able to find the link to the Google Docs for this question in the description below. Now, let's get started. After a heavy rainfall, the two identical reservoirs are filled with water. At 7:40 a.m., the gate for Punggol Reservoir was opened to allow the water to flow out. Later at 9:20 a.m., the gate at Serangoon Reservoir was already open. At 2 p.m., the water level in both reservoirs reached the same height. Punggol Reservoir initial water level is 4 cm higher than Serangoon's reservoirs, and it takes another 6 hours and 40 minutes to finish draining, while Serangoon Reservoir only takes 3 hours and 45 minutes to finish draining. Given that at 2 p.m., the draining system in Punggol Reservoir was partially jammed such that it requires a 5 minutes maintenance after every 15 minutes of draining, find the initial water level of Punggol Reservoir. Okay? So, similarly to the previous diagram, we are going to draw similarly to the previous question, we are going to draw a diagram. Okay? So, P and S. Just a side note, Punggol Reservoir and Serangoon Reservoir are not real reservoirs. Okay? The real reservoirs are like Marichi, okay? Then at 2 p.m., the water levels are the same. Then Punggol Reservoir opens at 7:40, which is 6 1/3 hours. Okay. Serangoon Reservoir opens at 9:20, which is 4 2/3 hours. Okay. Then Serangoon Reservoir takes another 3 hours and 45 minutes, which means 3 3/4 hours, because 45 minutes is 45 over 60, so it's 3/4 hour. Okay. Then Punggol Reservoir will take 6 hours and 40 minutes, so 6 2/3 hours. But given that every 20 minutes, 15 minutes will be for draining and 5 minutes for maintenance, so you realize that 6 2/3 hours is actually equals to 20 times 1/3. 1/3 is 20 minutes. Okay, this implies that 20 times 15 minutes will be for draining, and 20 hours times the remaining 5 minutes, which is 1/12, will be for maintenance. Therefore, instead of writing 6 2/3 over here, we can write 5 hours. Okay. This one I never count, it's okay, okay? Then, okay, so you're supposed to find the initial water level of Punggol Reservoir. Okay, so similarly to the previous question, we are supposed to calculate the rate. Okay, the rate of P is to the rate of S will be equals to 5 hours is to 3 3/4 hours. You simplify it to about 4:3. Okay, therefore if this takes okay, so this is the rate. So if this takes 4 2/3 hours, over here it should take 2 2/9 hours, given that the other side takes 4 2/3 hours. Okay? Okay. Okay, this is the same concept as the previous question. If you don't really understand this concept, you can watch our previous video. We use buns as an example to explain what we are doing, okay? Okay, then the extra time Oh, we are skipping the detailed explanation that we did in the previous episode here to prevent overrun of the video, cause it's about 5 minutes already. Okay, extra time for P will be equals to the total time taken minus the actual time that we should take. So this extra time will be for this extra cm here. So it will be equals to 6 1/3 hours minus 6 2/9 hours, which gives us 1/9 hour. Okay, so the rate of P will be equals to 1/9 hour for 4 cm. Okay, this will actually imply that it will be 1 hour for 36 cm. Okay, then the total time for P will be equals to 6 1/3 hour plus 5 hours. Remember here we can only use 5 hours because the 5 hours is for draining. This is the total time that includes the maintenance, okay? Maintenance time, no draining. So we cannot put it in to calculate. So over here we should get 11 1/3 hour. Therefore, water level will be equals to the time times 1. Every hour is 36 cm, which will give you 408 cm. That's the answer. Okay, just note that over here we actually calculate the hour rate. So if we actually calculate every hour the rate, we can just times it directly. Because it is per hour, the units will match. But in our previous episode, we actually just take it directly, which is 2/3 hour. So this is not in per hour, this is per 2/3 hour. Therefore, we need to have a neutralization of the 2/3 hour over here by dividing by 2/3 hour. Okay, because the units are different. Okay, just a side track. I'll find a pencil. Okay. Over here, we can actually change it to times 3 divided by 2. So 1 hour will actually 4 times 3 divided by 2, which is 7.5 cm. Okay, so if you actually convert it to the hour rate, we can just write 6 hours times 7.5, and this will give you the same answer as 45. Okay, because this is 3 times 15 times 2 divided by 2. Okay, yeah. So if you use the hour rate, you can just multiply it directly. But if you are not using the hourly rate, you will need to have a neutralization over here. Okay, that's just a side note. Okay, the question that we just went through is question 3 of worksheet 11. Okay, there's 2 more questions available. For question 1, the answer is 45 cm. For question 2, the solution is 232 millimeters. Okay, feel free to browse our channel for the solution for the video for question 1. In the meantime, feel free to drop us an email if you got any challenging questions. We also welcome feedbacks and comments. Our contact details are in the description below. Before we end, we'd like to take this opportunity to share our new Instagram series called New News, where we share random news for students to read. We hope you'll find it useful. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. We hope that you have learned this concept. And here's Miss J signing off. Bye bye!